Hi everyone, this is Agnes and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nestified.
Lavender is not open yet?
Lavender opened in 28 March.
Oh, on 28.
Oh, so we cannot go there?
I will check again when we arrive to Kabala.
Because we really want to go there.
For today's vlog mga Kanestified, join us, me and my friends, the Spice Girls, for our second day tour here in Azerbaijan. And we'll be going for a private road trip papuntang Kabala. And we will be amazed by the different scenic, panoramic, and the spectacular views along the way from the city of Baku to one of the best town in Azerbaijan. This is my favorite place here in Azerbaijan. So far, ito yung Kabala, which is considered as the ancient small town. So nice today, the weather here in Baku, but in Kabala it will be cold.
I think maybe today in Azerbaijan any place have no rain because last 5 days every day have rain. Rain is finished.
Yesterday it rained here around 4 I think. By this time mga Kanestified, ang aming pick-up time is 6 AM because Kabala is very far from the city. So maaga kami gumising around 5 AM para mag-prepare para hindi kami malate. So 6 AM pick up kami ng aming tour guide / driver, but turned out to be a very dear friend. Parang fatherly na ang treatment niya sa amin, and blessed kami dahil take care niya talaga kami. Oh? Okay. Iba na to. Sorry mga Kanestified, binamarites lang namin itong taga-maneho, but in a good way naman kasi he is very nice naman and friendly. And yes, going back sa aming pag-travel road trip from Baku City to Kabala, it will take almost 3 to 4 hours. So may mga stopover pa kami yan. So yan, kailangan naming mabilis ang pag-tour and mabilis ang lakwatsa kasi para matapos namin yung mga planned tour within a day dahil babalik na naman kami in reality sa UAE. Actually mga Kanestified, our flight back to UAE is early morning pa on the next day, but we have to be at the Baku airport siguro mga 10 PM para may time pa kami na makapagpahinga kasi back to work na kami pagdating na, actually early morning, so diretso na kami noon mag-work 9 AM pa naman. So ayan, medyo haggard, pagod. Ayan, ginusto namin to, diba? But anyway, yan, straight kami from the airport. Pagdating namin sa Abu Dhabi Airport, diretso na kami sa office. So, diba? Mga kuratsa talaga. Anyway, back to our road trip. Ayan, nasa city pa rin kami. Medyo hindi pa masyado traffic kasi maaga pa. So, ito yung daanan, highway nila going to Kabala. Medyo hindi pa talaga siya traffic. Kasi, yun nga, paulit-ulit.
Bravo Market?
Yeah,
Biggest market here?
one of the biggest.
Oh. And it's cheaper there?
In Azerbaijan, the cheapest place is bazaar.
Bazaar?
For fruits,
Yeah.
for meat, for everything is better than bazaar.
So, ayan, si Sanan bigay ng tip. So, if you want to go for shopping or bumili ng something, pumunta sa bazaar. Siguro ibig niya sabihin na bazaar is yung market sa atin. So, parang wet and dry market. Hindi yung sa mga mall. Kaya medyo mahal sa mga mall. Ayan. So, as you can see mga kanestified, maganda din yung mga daanan nila. No? Sobrang progressive din sila. And yung mga roads nila is constructed. Hindi lubak-lubak. O, diba? Ayan. So, nakikita din yung mga buildings and wala din silang mga spaghetti, yung mga spaghetti na mga wires katulad sa atin. So, developed na talaga sila.
Also, pagbalik natin puro puti ito eh.
May mga puti. Ayan, so we are outside the city na mga kanestified. Makikita na yung mga malalawak na mga lupain. Char. Ayan, so actually, I think this is part of the Kubustan, another town or another city na marami ding mga pwede mong pagpasyalan. And yes, let me introduce to you our dear friend, Sanan. Yan, napakabait niya. And friendly at saka magaling, most importantly magaling siya na driver kasi safety din naman para sa lahat. Ang sarap talaga mag-road trip mga kanestified. I really enjoyed seeing beautiful sceneries talaga. And makikita yung mga tanawin. Pero parang hindi ako nag-enjoy. Serious mode lang, pek. Anyway, masaya ako dyan mga kanestified. Charot. Parang mauubusan yata ako ng kwento sa inyo mga kanestified sa road trip na to. Siguro nabobore na kayo, ano? Huwag naman, please. Anyway, yes, as you can see, if I am not mistaken, we are here passing by the Kubustan Mountains at very historical itong mga mountains nito at marami pang ma-explore dahil pina-preserve talaga nila ang mga history and culture nila. At syempre, marami talagang makikita pa dito. Actually, maybe on our next trip, ito na yung next namin na destination. Kasi more on history din to and culture. At saka identified din siya ng UNESCO. din ang pinagkakakitaan ng mga farmers dito, ang pag-aalaga ng mga hayop. Kasi sobrang ganda kasi dito ng weather. So, ayan, mura din dito yung mga meat nila dahil nga sila na mismo ang naaalaga. So mga ka-Nestified, medyo mahaba-haba tong biyahe na to. So siguro we'll just continue it on next vlog, ang ating chikahan. And we'll continue on our road trip for our next vlog, road trip going to Kabala. So hopefully we'll see you on my next vlog mga ka-Nestified. Huwag kayong mabore. So mga ka-Nestified, thank you so much for your support. See you again on my next vlog, and thank you for watching, for your time, and in supporting this channel. And yes, don't forget, sa hindi pa nagsasubscribe, subscribe na, like and comment. God bless everyone.